Hi, I'm Biohacker Health Coach and welcome to Keto Decoded. So the question today is, what is the ketogenic diet and how does it help with weight loss? So the ketogenic diet is eating in a way that kicks your body into ketosis, which just basically means fat burning. And so what it does, it makes your body burn fat. And what that does, when your body starts burning fat, it starts healing metabolic syndrome, metabolic diseases. And when the body starts healing itself and fixing its metabolic syndrome problems, the natural side effect of that is that you start losing weight. So the reason you're overweight is because you're sick. Yeah, you're ill in some way because you have some sort of metabolic disorder. And the ketogenic lifestyle fixes that, and therefore you lose weight.